2006 Porsche Cayman S. I just wanted to take it out to do a mic test on this Akaso Brave 7LE. I picked it up because my GoPro was giving me audio troubles, and so I tested it, just doing some walkarounds and stuff, and it really felt like the audio wasn't very good, so I thought I'd take it out for a drive and just see how it sounds, how well it works with the audio. I do have external polyland mics if I need to use those, and I figured out how to get those working. But I just wanted to see how well it sounds and how well the audio works, and then I know if I have to use the external lights all the time. So it's a bit noisy in here, of course, and I'm about 2 feet away from the camera right now, and I just thought I'd give it a whirl and see how this audio sounds. I'm filming it 2.7K, 60 frames per second, so the picture is good. I don't mind the picture at all. I had a good experience with it. The Akaso is reasonably well priced compared to like a GoPro, but the GoPro is a good camera. The image stabilization is really good. But my main concern on this one was audio. And there you have it. So we'll see in editing how well this sounds, and we'll take it from there, and then I'll know if I need to use external mics all the time or not. Thanks for watching. Okay, so after listening to the last video, I just couldn't leave it there, testing the audio on the Akaso Brave 7LE. I realized that this car is noisy inside. Its exhaust isn't that loud, but I really wanted to see how the internal mic would work for the Akaso, for driver's eds and autocrosses and stuff. Obviously, it wasn't that good when it gets loud like this. I needed to throw on my external wireless mic, Hollyland in this case. There's another video on how to do that that I've uploaded, but I had to give it a try to see if the external mic made a difference. I don't think I'll be using a mic, for autocross or driver's ed or anything, but I just wanted to see what the internal mic on the Akaso would be like. So obviously, after listening to that last video, it just wasn't good enough. That's why I decided to try and see what the wireless mic is, in case I do happen to want to use it, maybe get some coaching commentary on driving or something like that. But in this case, we'll see how this one turns out, because I'm sure it'll be better than the last one, because the mic is about 6 inches away from my mouth in this case. So there, I hope that helps you out in determining the audio on the internal audio microphone of an Akaso 7 Brave LE. Hope that helps.